Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Typescript. In today's video, we are diving into two special types in Typescript, any and unknown. We will cover their differences and when to use each and show you some practical example. So let's get started. So first we take a look on any type. The any type in Typescript is a powerful tool that allows you to bypass the type checking. It can hold any value and using it turn off TypeScript type checking for that variable. So let's see an example. I open my code editor and here you can see I already create index.ts file, and in this I create one variable with the name of anything, and now we give a type to this variable any. In next step we give any value to this anything variable. So first we give a integer value. Here I write anything and is equal to, here I write 10. This is an integer value and you can see I cannot get any error. After that I assign a string value to this anything variable. So here I write anything and is equal to honey. You can see again I cannot get any error here. So I save this and again I also assign a boolean value to this variable anything, and here I write ref. And you can see when we use any type we can assign any value to this variable without getting any error. When you use any, you lose the benefit of TypeScript static type checking, which can lead to runtime error. So again we see a practical example. So here I remove all the code and here I write let and anything and gave a type any and we gave a value hello. Okay, in next step what we can do here I write console.log, and in this console.log here I use a anything variable and to fix, and here I pass 2. Now in this code we get a runtime error. Okay, so I open a terminal and in this terminal I convert ts file into index.js file. Here I write tsc and index.ts, press enter, and you can see our index.js file will be created successfully. Now I run this file node index.js, press enter, and here you can see it gave an error console.log anything to fixed, and here you can see it gave to fix is not a function. Okay, so it can not give a error here in our development time. Okay, if I remove this any type here, so I remove this type and now you can see it gave an error here. So this is a static type checking. When we use any type we lose the power of static type checking of a TypeScript. Okay, I hope you get it. Now let's talk about the unknown type. Unknown is a type safe counterpart of any. You can assign any value to unknown variable, but you cannot perform arbitrary operation on it without first asserting its type. So let's see. Again I open my code editors and I remove this code, and here I create one variable with the name of anything. You can create any variable here, and here I pass a value to a 10, sorry, like this integer value, and now we give a type to anything is a unknown. So here I write unknown. Again I reassign the value to anything. So here I write anything and change a value to a string. So here I write a hello, and you can see it cannot give any error here. Okay, so again I change the value here anything, and this time I assign a value as a boolean. So now you can see it's a okay. Just like any, unknown can hold any value, but here the catch, before you can use it you need to perform a type checking or type assertion. To use unknown variable you need to check its types first. Let's see how that works. So again I open a code editor and here I create a one variable with the name of anything, and we gave a type to this unknown and we assign a value to this hello. Okay, now we check the types and then perform an action. So what we can do here, I write if type of anything is equal to string, then perform this action. So here I write console.log, and here I write anything to uppercase. Okay, to uppercase like that, and save the file. Now what we can do here I delete the index.js file, and again go to a terminal and I clear this CLS, and now I change this index.ts file into index.js file. So here I write tsc index.ts, press enter, and it convert index.ts file into index.js file. Now I run the index.js file. Here I write node index.js, press enter, and here you can see it convert a hello into a uppercase. By performing a type check or using type assertion, we ensure that the value is safe to use, making unknown a safer alternative to any. That's it for today's video. We have explored the any and unknown types in TypeScript, their differences, use cases, and practical examples. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more TypeScript tips and tutorials. See you next time.